झारखंड में एक प्रोग्राम से खिताब करते हुए CJI N.V रामना ने सोशल मीडिया पर जजों पर हमलों और उन्हें ट्रोल किए जाने पर तशवीश का इजहार किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा लगता है कि बाज तबके में अच्छे और बुरे में तमीज करने की सलाहियत नहीं है। उनका कहना है कि एजेंडा पर मबनी कवरेज जमहूरियत के लिए नुकसानदेह है। CJI के मुताबिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया की जवाबदेही सिफर है, जबकि प्रिंट मीडिया अब भी कुछ हद तक जवाबदेह है।
Given the current situation is that we are simply not equipped to handle the rising challenges of the future. If the judiciary suffers, our democracy suffers. This is a serious issue. Doing justice is not an easy responsibility. It is becoming increasingly challenging with each passing day. At times, there were also concerted efforts in media, particularly on the social media against judges. Another aspect which affects the fair functioning and independence of the judiciary is the rising number of media trials. New media tools have enormous amplifying ability, but appears to be incapable of distinguishing between the right and the wrong, the good and the bad, and the real and the fake. Media trials cannot be a guiding factor in deciding cases. Of late, we see the media running kangaroo courts. At times, on issues even experienced judges find difficulty to decide. Ill-informed and agenda-driven debates on issues involving justice delivery are proving to be detrimental to the health of democracy. Biased reviews being propagated by media are affecting the people, weakening the democracy and harming the system. In this process, justice delivery gets adversely affected. By overstepping and breaching your responsibilities, you are taking our democracy 2 steps backward. Print media still has certain degree of accountability, whereas electronic media has zero accountability, as what it shows vanishes in the thin air. Still worse in social media. Owing to the frequent transgressions and consequential social unrest, there is growing demand for stricter media regulations and accountability. In fact, looking at recent trends, it is best for the media to self-regulate and measure their words. I urge upon the media, particularly the electronic and social media, to behave responsibly. You are as important as stakeholders as we are. Please use the power of your voice to educate the people and to energize the nation in our collective endeavor to build a progressive, prosperous